Hi everyone, welcome to Joyful Home Cakes. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful and yummy cake with coconut cream and mascarpone cheese. So let's get started. First we make the creamy frosting. 250 grams of mascarpone cheese, 160 grams of coconut cream. Whisk together with electric mixer until you get a creamy glaze. 180 grams of icing sugar, sieved in batches. Mix it evenly. And a pinch of salt. When finished, place in the fridge for later use. Prepare half a bowl of crushed almonds. Mix it with some coconut cream frosting. And ready to fill and stack the layers. This recipe is for a 6-inch cake with 2 layers, and here is an original chiffon cake. Add thick frosting layers if you like. Cover the whole cake with some frosting without almonds. It doesn't need clean lines and smooth edges. After the cake is thickly covered, use offset spatula to create vertical stripes. Continue around the entire cake. And place in the fridge for 10 minutes. Prepare some unsweetened coconut shreds. Sprinkle around the cake with spoon. Also sprinkle a little on the top of the cake. And place the cake in the fridge for later use. To color the buttercream for flowers, I prepared taro powder and mango powder. For 150 grams of buttercream, I added 1 tablespoon of taro powder. You can always add a little more if you want the yellow color to be lighter. For another 150 grams of buttercream, I added 2 tablespoons of mango powder. Now we're going to pipe the flowers. Use Wilton piping tip number 1A to pipe the middle base. First flower, I use Wilton piping tip number 122 to pipe peony. With the smallest edge of the tip pointing up, make a center bud around the base. Move tip up and down to pipe the petals. Always pipe overlapping petals. Be sure to squeeze the bag, move the tip, and rotate the nail. Repeat this over and over again. Another, I use Wilton number 124 to pipe the roses. Proceed the same way as for peonies. I suggest piping more roses and peonies, just in case some of them are not as pretty as you expected. But don't be frustrated, it usually takes some practice to pipe beautiful flowers. Next is an easy hydrangea. First, use Wilton piping tip number 1A to pipe the base. Pinch it into a round shape. Use Wilton tip number 1M to fill the entire base. There are other ways to create more realistic hydrangeas. I'll make sure to show you in the future video. After the flowers are finished, I suggest storing in a container and keep in the freezer to harden the shape of the flowers. We're going to decorate the cake. See, there are different types and sizes of flowers. Apply some coconut cream frosting in the center of the cake to hold the flowers. Decorate some flowers in the middle. If you enjoy watching this video, please click like and subscribe buttons. Use Wilton piping tip number 352 for the leaves. For the leaves coloring, please refer to the previous video above. Use Wilton piping tip number 2D for the filler flower to fill the empty space. To look more elegant, I prepared different sizes of edible white sugar pearls. Sprinkle some on the top. And we're done. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time.